Good morning! Hi everyone! Suot ko yung t-shirt na naman ni Jan. Kasi ito yung pinaka, lagi kong sinusuot kapag nandito siya. Favorite ko tong t-shirt na to. So, ayun, first day namin na magkasama ni Jan. Today guys, may pasok ako. Hindi ako hinayaan ni Jan na mag-off sa aking work or mag-leave or mag-take ng leave or mag-absent or whatever. Basta hinayaan niya ako mag-work kasi I'm gonna have trouble na sa trabaho kapag ganun ulit yung gagawin ko. So yeah, anyways, it's morning time. Jan is here. Yeah. Hi! He's busy. So anyways, nagutom ako. Nakaramdam ako ng gutom. Initin natin to. Tira namin to kagabi. Ano na to, hotel na to kasi merong kitchen. So initin lang natin to, magma-microwave tayo. So, ito yung food namin kagabi. So we have coffee here. Do you have coffee?
What are you doing?
You want coffee?
No, but what are you doing? That's your lunch.
No, I'm gonna eat it.
Huh?
Microwave.
Why are you gonna do that?
I want to eat.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kain natin yung burger. Burger, may pansit, tsaka meron tayong fish fillet yata to. Basta tira namin to kagabi. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging breakfast na lang namin ni Jan kasi hindi na kami lumabas. Mas gusto na mag-stay lang dito sa loob. Kain tayo.
Careful.
Yeah. Let's get it. Sarap. Nakabihis na ako kasi may work ako today. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, si Jan nandyan pa din. Nandyan pa rin, hindi niya pa rin maayos-ayos yung mga may mga inaayos siyang bookings, mga files, and hindi pa rin siya tapos na nakikipag makipag-communicate sa sa airline. So anyways, ito nagpe-prepare na ako. Ang mga in 30 minutes aalis na rin ako. May iwan dito si Jan. Yan. Kasi maghahanap buhay muna tayo. Siya dito lang may iwan. So magpe-prepare lang ako, guys. Hi, I'm leaving now. Ito, naka-ready na ako.
She come and she go.
Hatid niya ako sa labas.
So this is all you bring, right? Just
Yeah.
this? Okay. Yeah, I'll come back in a second.
Ano na, it's 9 o'clock, 9:10. So, ang pasok ko 11. Sana hindi ma-traffic para hindi ako malate.
What's this? I'm gonna throw in garbage.
Go!
See, Robinson's right.
Where?
Oh. It's over there, on that side. What color is it? And then I'm checking in our favorite place.
We're checking out later. And then we move to our place.
So that's the taxi.
Kaya kailangan ko po ng taxi sa SM Marikina.
Hindi mo mag-grab kayo, ma'am. Mag-grab.
Pwede
Maganda
rin.
yung grab.
Pwede rin naman. Kayo na ba ang magbubo?
Na-reception po sila.
So, wait muna kami dito sa lobby kasi nandun si Kuya, guard, naghanap ng ng taxi. Hi guys! Nandito na ako sa work. Yan. Karating ko lang, mga mga 40 minutes lang ang biyahe. Mabilis lang ang biyahe. Akala ko nga traffic. So, yeah. I'm gonna start my day na naman. Naiwan si Jan doon. Bahala na siya kung ano ang gusto niyang gawin. Pero sabi niya lalabas daw siya. Mamaya mag-iikot-ikot sa market. Kasi yun yung favorite place niya. So anyways guys, I'll keep you update. Okay, so gabi na. 7:45 na. So naka-out na ako sa work. Andito na ako sa taxi. Going to the hotel. So tapos na naman yung natin. Buong araw natin. So pahinga naman. I'm going to hotel. So I'll see you all. Ando na si Jan, nag-aantay na daw siya. Hi, I'm here.
She's here, of course. Oh, here's your. Or it's okay there?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. Ew. Oh, I love playing games. You play pretty good. You play pretty good. So this is the working lady. I was a bum all day, so I have to ask you, how's work? Did you make money? Are we gonna pay the rent this month?
I get 400.
Are we gonna pay the rent?
Not enough.
Are we gonna pay the rent,
I
Jean?
need to work more.
Okay, cheers. Oh, oh, this is a woman after my heart.
Hi guys, andito na ako.
Hello!
Yeah,
Johnny is in the Philippines.
it's almost 2 hours yung biyahe ko. Sobrang traffic.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Good? Compliments of him.
Thank you, MC. Pinag-usapan ka namin. May pinapahula siyang pangalan. Is this yours?
Yeah. Yeah, it's my 5th time. I come a lot.
Yeah.
I come a lot.
One Mai Tai. For whole vacation.
Yeah, every 3-4 months I come here.
Yeah.
It's a good place to retire.
I think so.
I think so.
I was here 1 month. I leave tomorrow.
Yeah. How long were you here?
Yeah, 4 weeks Philippines.
Yeah, 4 weeks.
Manila only from today.
Oh, okay. So go back home and then come back later.
Yeah, I think in
It's
February,
my
March
favorite
next time.
sangria.
Oh, March is nice. March is nice.
I was there March this year.
March is nice, yeah.
Ito na yung food namin, pizza and buffalo wings. Kain tayo.
Aha.
Looking?
I have an idea.
Sarap.
Good combo. Chicken and pizza. You have to guess.
If I guess, it's mine.
I think so.
Hi guys! After naming kumain, so lumabas muna ako saglit, pumunta ako sa 7-Eleven kasi meron akong binili. Bumili ako ng shampoo kasi wala kami shampoo. So yan, dito na kami sa hotel. Ayan na si Jan. Makain ng cake.